They're all gonna die.
What is it, Luke? Go.
We should probably... Oh God.
What is it, Luke? She hasn't said what
Back to the car again.
Okay, stop. That's cute.
Hit that Cruiser.
Hit that Cruiser. Casey, get
I don't know if he knows how.
Casey, get you, but watching.
Why is Luke in charge?
Because he hopped in there right quick.
Hold it up.
Clearly Sissy should be in charge.
Yes.
Go. Go. Go.
She's
Go.
good.
I can't.
How many of us does it take to operate?
Him.
Look at Ryan's car. Did you see that look? He's like, oh.
My bad. My feet are freezing. My feet are freezing. Guess you and Bailey should have put shoes on.
Bailey couldn't wait.
I had to bring Mom's out.
So you obviously had a chance to get yours, you fool.
Get back.